Hello everyone, I just want to show you today how to write. I think this is the last part is going to be last part, part 4. Part 4, table of references. Because we already talked about abstract, we talked about table of contents, we talked about appendix, what is appendix, and we are going to talk about number 4. So these are the 4 hierarchy that you have to follow. The four rule, that's what I call 4 rule, because this is the structure that you need to follow. Okay, so how to create the table of content? What is table of references? Sorry, table of content was after abstract, so they were like this. Let me go to my actual. They were like this. This abstract, very first one, they are not part of it. So this is the table of content that we talked about before. And this table of content after appendix, this is appendix A and appendix B, as you can see here. This is appendix A and this is appendix B we just talked about. Okay, after appendix I have references that I put in there. Before appendixes I have to put the references. You see here number 4, 4.0 are the references. So let me show you before. So references go, you have to write your references. You have to write your references before the appendixes. So 4.0 is the reference, and right after conclusion I put my reference, and then I started appendixes. So we wrote I showed you the appendix and what they are, and now I'm going to show you the references and what they are. Basically references, they talk about whatever, like now everything I wrote in here you will see that I put here. Like this paragraph I put that design 2017. If I click this design now, this design it should show me, it's not showing me here, but I will show you later. So everything, so I have a design like this one. Now it's a design. So I got this design from Cisco website. You see that? So the references are here, and these are my own designs here. These are all my own designs. Okay, so these are the references. These are the references I got from everyone, I mean from everywhere. So now how can you write this? So these are all the references. After conclusion, after one paragraph conclusion, I wrote references. So if I go here on the reference, for example, let me go to the other page, this one, the one we're using for illustration. Now these are the table contents. So I'm going to go here. I say look, I wanna have a reference. So I will go here, insert caution, and then I will say, or I will click add new source, and then I have the book. For example, the book is whatever, E for example, whatever, and the person who wrote it is Michael, something like that, or Michelle, whatever you call. Okay, the brand is 2018 for example, and the city is London. And then the publisher, it is an optional, but you can fill it. So the publisher, for example, it was a London Press, for example, London Press. And then I will say, okay, so this is what I have. So for example, if I had a paragraph here, this is my new book, for example, my new book. Okay, this is my, or for example, like for example, this book has been used many times. And you didn't write this one, you didn't bring this one from your from your on your own. So you want to reference this one. So this one, for example, you said like you want to reference this one to this one. So if I can take it, yeah, I put it here on it. So this sentence I got from this a book, for example. So if I go here now, if I go click here, and then if I double click it here, it should show. If I go here, keep the contents and control, okay. So if I go here, I cannot see it, but if I go you see edit citation, that's what I was looking for. If you right click it, you just edit citation or edit source. If I can see edit source, if I click edit source, it will show me what I wrote in here, and it is a book. If it's a journal, you drop down, you write a book section or journal article or journal in periodical, conference proceeding or report, whatever it is the list goes on and on and on. If it is a case, if it is a patent, if it is film, whatever. Okay, now we finished the book, the writing the book. Okay, what we want to import, because we wrote maybe hundreds of these references, so we want to edit all of them behind the conclusion like this. So what am I going to do is I will go here, reference, and then I will go bibliography, and then I will drop down, and then I will click reference, and then it gave me this reference. You see, so now it gave me double, because this one was another reference that I quoted before. I think it was here, or did I delete it? Yeah, I think I deleted it. So this one was another reference that I referenced before I recorded the video. So this is what it will show you. So now if I go again and say edit, and then I say okay, edit, add source, and then I wrote source, the book writer is Omar, the title is Mr., the year is 2020, the city is, for example, Cardiff, and the publisher is My Press, for example. If I click here, then it will show, because if I already wrote a paragraph like this is a sentence, but if I wrote a paragraph, then this paragraph, and here, and then at the end I will write my, this one will come after my paragraph, which is my citation of this paragraph. So if I go here now and I want to edit, it has to be 3 lines here now. If I go here, bibliography, and go reference, it became 3 reference now. Before it was 2, now it is 3. So if I go here and say update the citation, now it's cited, and it took the other 2 away, and it made only 3. So this is how you write your reference, and I hope you enjoy and you understood so far the road of writing an essay. And thank you for learning, and really practice it, and you will become a master, and then you will get your first class on your assignments if you follow what I'm showing you. And see you later. Have a good day, guys.